Hello world! In this video, you will be able to identify the purpose, case structure, and language features of various types of informational or factual text. There are different informational and factual text types. We have the literary nonfiction, procedural text, expository text, argument or persuasion text. And we have the purposes. It is to entertain, explain, describe, persuade, or to inform. Let us first discuss description. In here, the author provides several details of something to give the reader a mental picture. We have here some clues. If you see or read many adjectives, characteristics, or examples, these fall under description. And we can use the concept map to do that. We have here an example. As you can see in the middle, we have the mammals, and we have descriptions of mammals, and these are written on the circles. Next, we have the sequence, instruction, or process. In here, the author provides readers with chronological events or a list of steps in a procedure. You have here some clues. If you see some events in order of occurrence, instruction given, step by step, order words like first, next, then, etc. We have here an example of the four-step sequence. In here, you need to provide the event and then the step 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a simple process flowchart to understand the basic idea of process. Like for example, if the lamp doesn't work, now you need to ask yourself, is it plugged in? If it is no, then you plug in lamp. However, if it is yes, then you have another question here. Is the bulb burned out? If it is yes, replace the bulb. If it is no, repair the lamp. We have here another example, how to change desktop background in Windows 10. As you can see, we have here the step-by-step instruction. Next is we have the cause and effect. The author here describes an event or several events. These are the causes and events that follow. These are the effects. We have here clues. We have the cause, because, effect, as a result, due to, a reason. If you see these things, and if you observe that the author describes an event or several events and the events that follow after it, that then is cause and effect. And in cause and effect, we can use the fishbone chart. Here is an example. We had the example a while ago. So this is now the effect. Flashlight doesn't work. Now we have here the causes. The battery, is it dead, missing? Bulb, is it broken, missing? Switch, is it stuck or off? Wiring, is it corroded, broken? And if these are the causes now, the effect would be flashlight doesn't work. Next is we have the compare and contrast. The author discusses the similarities and differences between people, things, concepts, and ideas. And if you happen to see or read the article or the paragraph with likeness and differences, if they are being discussed, you can also see there the contrast. Of course, that would be compare and contrast. And the chart that is very applicable to this is the Venn diagram. As you can see, we have two circles here. The side one is the different, and then we have in the middle the same. Let's take an example. We have here the dogs and cats. So we are describing the cats. Cats meow. Cats come when they feel like coming. While we have here the dogs, dogs bark. Dogs come when cold. Okay, but they also have similarities. And as you can see, they have fur and they have paws. That is why it is in the middle. So when you use the Venn diagram, you use the other circle to describe the other one. And then in the middle, you provide now the similarities. Another is the problem and solution. The author gives information about the problem and explains one or more solutions. If you happen to read a problem that has been solved or needs solving, there is a problem, there is a solution, there is a word solve. It is a problem solution. Okay, and this is an example of a chart wherein we can see the problem and solution. Okay, so we have an example. The problem is something that a character in a story wants to change, fix, or figure out. What is the solution? The way a problem is solved or fixed. Here is an example. The problem, what goes wrong in the story, like I spilled my milk during lunch. And we have here the solution, how the problem is fixed or solved. I used paper towels to clean it up. Please do not forget the key structure and language features of informational or factual text. It is description, sequence or instruction process, cause or effect, compare or contrast, problem or solution. I hope that you've learned something today. Please don't forget to check out other videos.